How to get a free virtual credit card for free trials. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So here I will show you how to get a free virtual credit card for free trials. So before we start, you can easily make sure to subscribe our channel. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to open a browser on your device. Click the search bar at top of the screen and type in freevcc.online and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of VCC where you will see the sign up button at top right corner of the screen. So you have to click on sign up at top right corner of the screen and then you will get access to the other interfaces where you can easily see the login or register option. Click register and here you need to enter your full name, username, email address, password and confirm your password. After that you need to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and then click on the sign up button. Once you sign up you will see your virtual card with your name and card validity. You can switch between card types such as Visa, American Express, JCB, Discover, and to manage your card, freeze, block, or reveal SVC, you can use the options provided. So that's it. That is how we successfully get a free virtual credit card for free trials. I hope this video worked. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.